Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss the last topic of rational numbers, that is word problems. But before that, some students have asked me one question regarding the previous topic we have discussed. The question that they were asking, find suppose five numbers between two negative numbers. Suppose we have taken -3 and -4. So five numbers between -3 and -4. So here -3 and -4, the denominator is 1. This denominator is same and we have to find out five numbers. So what we have to do, 5 plus 1, that equals 6. So multiply by 6 in both numerator and denominator of both numbers. So -3 multiplied by 6 divided by 6, and here -4 multiplied by 6 divided by 6, or you can say 1 multiplied by 6, right? So you get -18 upon 6, and here -24 by 6. So you can easily find out the numbers. The next number is -19 by 6, -20 by 6, -21 by 6, -22 by 6, -23 by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the five numbers between two negative numbers, right? So this by this method you can solve this question. So let's come to the topic, which is word problems. First question is, so first question reads as, from a rope of 11 meter long, two pieces of length 2 hole 3 by 5 meter and 3 hole 3 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of the remaining rope? Suppose this is the length of 11 meter rope, right? We have cut it off one part, which is 2 hole 3 by 5 meter, and second part, which is 3 hole 3 by 10 meter. So you have to find out the length of this remaining part, right? So what you have to do, you have to add this, both you have to add this and subtract it, this addition part, from 11 meters, right? So let's do it. So length of the remaining part equals 11 meter minus 2 whole 3 by 5 meter plus 3 whole 3 by 10 meter. So convert it into improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. 5 2 is 10 plus 3 13 equals 11 meter minus 13 by 5 plus 10 3 is 30 plus 33 by 10. Take the LCM of 5 and 10. The LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. I'm doing it here. So 11 minus 10, 5, 2 ja 10, so 13 2 ja 26 plus 33, 10 1 ja 10, right? So 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 3 5, 59 by 10 minus 11. Here denominator is 1, take the LCM of 1 and 10, that is 10. 1 10 ja, that is 110 minus 10. 1 ja 10, that is 59. So 10 minus 9 is 1, right? And here 10 is remaining, 10 minus 5 is 5. 51 by 10, that is 5 whole 1 by 10 meter. This is the answer, right? So I am going to give you one question, what you have to solve. So question for practice is, a basket contains 3 types of fruits weighing 19 whole 1 by 3 kg in all. If 8 whole 1 by 9 kg of these be apple and 3 whole 1 by 6 kg be oranges and the rest part is pears. So what is the weight of the pears in the basket, right? You have to practice this, means you have to solve it and send me the solution. Now come to next question. So next question reads as, find the cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meters of cloth at rupees 63 whole 3 by 4 per meter, right? In this question, the cost of per meter cloth is given and you have to find out the cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meters. So you have to multiply it, right? Cost of 1 meter cloth is what? Rupees 63 whole 3 by 4 meters, right? Means per meter. Yeah, you can say that cost of 1 meter cloth is given rupees 63 whole 3 by 4. So you have to find out. Therefore, cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meter equals 63 whole 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 whole 2 by 5, right? So convert it into improper fraction, right? Solve it and send me the solution of this question also, right? Come to next question for the practice. So question for the practice is, 1 liter petrol cost rupees 63 whole 3 by 4. What is the cost of 34 liters of the petrol, right? And you know how to solve it, right? You have to multiply it and send me the solution. Now come to next question. So the question reads as, a cord of length 17 whole 1 by 2 meter has been cut into 26 pieces of equal length, right? What is the length of each piece? Suppose this is the cord of length 17 whole 2 by 5 meter and it has been cut into 26 equal pieces. So the length of the cord is 17 whole 1 by 2 meter, right? And we have cut it in 26 equal pieces, right? This is 26 pieces. We have cut it off. So you have to find out the length of each piece, right? So what you have to do, you have to divide it, means the length of the cord divided by the pieces, so you can find out the length of one piece. So length of one piece equals 17 whole 1 by 2 divided by 26, right? 17 to the 34 plus 1 35, 35 by 2, and if you convert it, it becomes 1 by 26, right? So 35 by 26, 2 ja 52. So this is your answer. Right? Come to next question for the practice. So the question reads as the cost of 3 whole 1 by 2 meters of cloth is rupees 166 whole 1 by 4. Right? You have to find out the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Send me the solution of the question. Now come to next question. So the question reads as in a school 5 by 8 of the students are boys and if there are 240 girls, find the number of boys in the school. So number of students, let means the number of students be x. You can do it by this method also, or the number of boys are given as 5 by 8 and in fraction part the total part is always 1, right? So the number of girls is means you have to subtract the number of boys from the total number of students, then you get the value, right? LCM of 1 and 8 is 8, 1 8 ja 8, that is 8, minus 5, 8 1 ja 8, so that is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 part is girls, right? So if the total number of students be x, so number of girls be 3 by 8 into x, that is 3x by 8. So number of girls is 3x by 8. In fraction it is 3x by 8 and in numbers it is given as 240. So number of girls in numbers in 240 and in fraction they are in 3 by 8 of x, right? So you have to find out the number of students first. So the value of x is 240 multiplied by 8 because it is a denominator. So when it comes this side, it will multiply, and this here this is in multiplication, so it comes in division. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 80, 8 8 ja 64. So 640 is the total number of students, right? There are 240 girls. So number of boys equals 640 minus 240, that equals 400, right? Or you can also find out as 5 by 8 of 640, 8 1 ja 8, 8 8 ja 64, 80 and 80 into 5 is 400, right? So this is the answer, means 400 number of boys there in school and which are 5 by 8 in fraction. Now come to next question. So the question reads as if 3 by 5 of a number exceeds its 2 by 7 by 44, right? So first let the number be x, right? 3 by 5 of a number, the number is x and the 3 by 5 of x. So 3 by 5 of x exceeds 2 by 7 of x, means 2 by 7 of x by 44, means it means this number is greater than 44 by this number. Either you can subtract 2 by 7 of x from 3 by 5 of x, you will get 44, or you can do it, means 3 by 5 of x equals 2 by 7x plus 44, right? If you add 44 into by 7 of x, it equals to 3 by 5 of x. So you can do either of the way. Right? Take the LCM of 5 and 7. The LCM of 5 and 7 is 35 because they are co-prime numbers. So 5, 7 ja 35, 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10. That equals 44. 21 minus 10, that equals 11x upon 35 equals 44. So x equals 44 multiplied by 35 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44, 35 4 ja 140, right? So 140 is the answer, or 140 of the number. You can check this answer by putting the values, means 3 by 5 of 140, that is 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10 and 5 8 ja 40 and 3 8 ja 24, carry 2, 3 2 ja 6, 2 8. So 3 by 5 of 140 is 84 and 2 by 7 of 140, 7 2 ja, right, 14 and 0, that is 40. So the difference between them, means 84 and 40, is what? 44, right? Means our answer is correct. So students, we have completed the rational number chapter. In next video we will start the next chapter. Thank you very much.